All right, here is your two-step test practice for operations in algebra number 3. Please remember you can use your math notebook as a resource. That's on mccainforth.com on my math page. And then you can be doing this with me or just checking your work at the end. Feel free to pause at any time and skip around. And then write the secret word here when I share what it is. All right, so here we go. Maria invited 6 friends over for a water balloon fight. Pretty cool. She gave each friend 7 water balloons. Each friend has this. Okay. 28 popped. How many, let's bracket, were left? I know left means subtraction. Okay. She gave each friend 7 water balloons. So since we have the word each, I know it's 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, that type of thing. Maria invited 6 friends over, and each, multiply, friend got that. All right, so it looks like I can see the 2 things that need to happen. And then we're going to go ahead and solve it out. So I'm going to separate this into 2 spaces here. 6 friends. They each get 7 water balloons. That's 42 balloons. Okay, and then 28 pop. So since we had 42, 28 popped. So this is a 3, this is a 12, this is a 4, and this is a 1. So we have 14 balloons left. Okay, and then so our answer here needs to be how many were left. There were 14 balloons left. All right, so that's that. On to number 2. Oh, and by the way, let's take care of secret word right now. I think it's appropriate for us to decide on crickets. That's what the brand is of food that we ate. Okay, so back to this. In the first 2 games, I scored 2 points, and 4 points. Usually that's a hint for that. In the 3rd game, I scored 3 times as many. Multiplication comparison, multiplicative, as the first 2 games. Bracket, how many points did I score in the 3rd game? Okay, so in the 3rd game, we scored 3 times as many points as the first 2 games, this whole section here. So obviously we need to add that up first, then multiply. So 2 plus 4 points, we're at 6 points. And then blank times blank equals blank. How many times? Always goes first. This is the 3rd is versus the 1st and 2nd. And then this is the 3rd's real number that we're trying to get. So we know the 1st and 2nd. We should mark that over here too. This is 1st and plus the 2nd. And so 3 times 6 is 18. And here we go. We know that how many points did I score in the 3rd game? I scored 18 PTS in the 3rd game. Voila. All right. And number 3, Jake had 4 pencils. Kelly, 6 times as many as Jake. Multiplication comparison. And it looks like I can actually do this problem. All right, then Kelly divided, her pencils up equally into 3 bags. Those are groups. Bracket. How many pencils in each bag? All right, so let's set up. We have multiplying and dividing. So blank times blank equals blank. Comparison ones, how many times always goes first, and we need to label. So who is 6 times? Kelly versus Jake. This is Kelly's real number. Jake had 4, so 6 times 4 is 24. And here is Kelly. Kelly divided up her pencils equally into 3 bags. So here's this. And so you just have to know what times 3 equals 24, or on your calculator, 24 divided by 3 equals, or you just know what it is. And so we know 3 times 8 is 24. And labels, this is 8 in each bag. How many pencils did she have in each bag? She had 8 pencils in each bag. And there we go. If you have any questions about that, let me know. Otherwise, good luck on your test tomorrow.